Fried rice, guys. Fried rice has been perfectly done. I'm making the best chicken fried rice. Newly bought wok. We'll put it onto stove, onto high flame. So this is a whole chicken breast. First thing we will do, we'll make a thin slices of our chicken breast, just like that. A whole chicken breast cut into thin slices. This is the first ingredient for this fried rice recipe, guys. We will add at least 10 spoons of vegetable oil. Let this oil heat up. So these are our basmati rice. We will add at least 1.5 cup in a separate pot. Basmati white rice, 1.5 cup is in this pot. We will add at least 3 cups of water in here. All right, so 1, 2, this is 3. Let's boil this. So our rice are getting boiled. Here we have thinly sliced these chicken breasts. We will add the chicken just like here, just like that. We will stir fry our chicken breast at least for 2-3 minutes. Chinese salt, 1 whole tablespoon of Chinese salt goes in here. These are our regular black pepper. We'll add at least half tablespoon in here. This is our brown sugar, at least 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is soy sauce, at least half tablespoon of soy sauce goes in here. Let's stir this up. At this point, what you have to do, at least add 1 whole tablespoon of regular salt. This is all getting stir fried in our wok. This is our garlic powder. What we have to do, at least 1 whole tablespoon of garlic powder goes right here. And this is what we need, at least 6 to 7 fresh green onions. Add it right here. Mix vegetables. So this is 1 cup. It has the green peas, it has the corn, it has the carrots. 1 whole cup goes right here, so everything gets cooked. These are our sesame seeds. I'll add at least half tablespoon or to 1. 1.5 cup of basmati rice. Once you rinse it, we will grab an egg, break it, add it right there in the middle. Another egg right here. Just try to break the egg and cook it. So we are just making sure our eggs are cooked. This is a homemade recipe, Spring onions, put it on top of the egg. Cook it at least for 5 minutes right here. Give it a stir mix. Yes. All the ingredients I've showed you. Give it a stir mix. This is a fried rice recipe, man. You have to fry the rice, the egg and everything right now. Just 10 more minutes. At this point, let it just cook, Chicken fried rice at its best, guys. Right here in your wok, give it a stir. Put it onto high flame again. We have to stir fry these rice. The rice has been cooked, the vegetables have been cooked. We have to stir fry it for another 5 minutes onto high flame, guys. Look at the colors we are getting here. So wonderful, man. Exactly 5 minutes later, guys, our stir fried rice has been perfectly done, fully cooked. You can listen to the sizzle. The egg has been cooked, the rice has been cooked, chicken has been cooked, the vegetables has been cooked, guys. This is the whole recipe right here. Wonderfully done. Okay, this is the dish out plate. You should make this recipe, man. Every Asian rice recipe we will cover in here, right here. These are our fried rice recipe. friends, this is the moment of truth of our basmati fried rice recipe. It has the egg, it has the chicken. OMG, it looks so soft, man. Take a look on this. Just take a look on this bite. It has the chicken, it has all the vegetables you can dream about. It's so hot, man. I'm scared to even take a bite just right now. So here you go for you guys. Fried rice, man. Right here. It's carrying the crunch, slice of a chicken breast, the rice and everything. Right here, the deep bite on this guy. The rice, the egg, the chicken, and the fried vegetables. Right here. Wonderful. Make this delicious fried rice recipe in your walks at home. It's gonna take at least 30 minutes of your time. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, guys, and enjoy this beautiful fried rice lunch recipe.